Hello there everybody, Dixie with my Doma Studio here, and for today's Tech Tip Tuesday, we're going to be talking about tasks. And not just tasks, but about how to create a task template. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here into a task that is already existing. You can see that I have an assignee, I have a watcher, I have the name up here, I have some due dates. You may or may not have additional information on here. So if you have a task that you use repeatedly and you don't want to have to set it up every single time, all you need to do is open an existing version of that task and then come up here, click the three dots and come down to Save Task as a Template. Once you do, you're going to be able to click on that and you're going to be able to give your template a name and a description. You'll see that it also includes a list of all of the information that you have on there. All you have to do is fill everything out and click Create. I've already done that though, so let's come over here and we're going to create a new task. So I'm going to click on Create Task, and this works from any place that you would create a task in your studio. So here I am, I have this brand new task. I can go ahead and fill it out if I would like to, or I can come up here to the Task Template button, and you can see I have a number of tasks that I've already created templates for. When I do that, I'm going to be able to select the task. It's going to tell me what it is. If that's not the one that I want, I can always go back and do a different one, but I'm going to use this one for right now. I'm going to go ahead and select the template. So I've just created this new task. I can come in and I can change up the dates to fit. Maybe I want to make it a little bit more personalized for that client. Remember, I just made this from the template, so it's pretty generic. Once I get all of that done, I'm going to come down here and click Create. Now, the other thing that I want to show you is you can, when you click Create Task, you can sit down and create a number of different tasks all in one sitting and make them into task templates as you go. So once you've got the information on here, you're going to select this down caret right here, and we're going to come down to Save as Template. Now, if it is a task that you would like to have as a template, but you also need the task right now, you could also choose to select Create and Save as Template. One last thing to point out, I'm going to scroll down here to this particular one, the asset collection one. So if you have a task that you'd like to turn into a template and it has files that have already been uploaded or a checklist that is already ready to go, just keep in mind that when you create a template from this particular task, it is going to include those files and the other items. If you don't want that on there, it's best to go ahead and create your task template from scratch. All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and hey, if you have any great ideas for ways to use task templates, let me know in your studio chat bubble.